Quincy and Wells will be our next stop. Quincy and Wells. Doors open on the right at Quincy and Wells. Attention from Metro and Enter train at Quincy and Wells.
So yeah, this is where John Candy and Steve Martin parted ways at the end of Planes, Trains, Automobiles. And Steve Martin got on the train, went down there around the corner, and that was about it. And then John Candy was standing right about here. And then Steve Martin was having some thoughts after the train left. Came back and he walked down here, and this looks kind of like a building, but there's no way the interior of this is where he found John Candy, because there's nothing really to it. It's just kind of a turnstile place where you go through and swipe your card. So I have no idea where John Candy was waiting, because it's might go down a little bit further here and see if there's anything like that, but most likely just cut to another location.